In the previous video, we discussed some important models with shortcut tricks. In this video, in video number 2, we are going to discuss some important models. A person purchased 11 articles per a rupee. 11 articles per a rupee purchased. How many must be sold per a rupee to gain 10%? He purchased 11 articles for 1 rupee. To gain 10%, how many he must sold per a rupee? That's what. Purchased means CP. CP is always 100%. Remember, CP is always 100% equal to 1 by 11. 11 articles for 1 rupee means what is the cost price of each article? Each article is 1 by 11. To get 10% profit means we have to find 110% equal to how much? When you are getting the profit, you add to 100. When you are getting the loss, you subtract from 100. So, because 100 is the CP. So, the answer is 1 by 11 into 110 by 100. If you cancel, you will get 1 by 10. Means how many articles he has to sell per 1 rupee? He has to sell how many articles? 10 articles. So, the answer is 10 articles. That's all. Again, I am repeating. A man purchased means CP. CP is always 100%. So, 100% is 1 by 11. To get 10% profit, that means 110% equal to how much? You are getting 1 by 10. 1 by 10 means for every rupee you have to sell 10 articles. So, the answer is 10 articles is the answer. Now, the second question. Now, the next question. By selling 12 articles per rupee, a man loses 10%. A man loses 10% means this will be equal to how much percentage? So, 90% equal to 1 by 12. How many must be sold per a rupee to gain 20%? Means you have to find 120% equal to how much? That's all. That is 1 by 12 into 120 by 90. You are getting 1 by 9. That means how many articles he has to sell? So the answer is 9 articles. That's all. This is a very important shortcut. Now we will go for the next model. Next model. Very important one. Very, very important one. A dishonest shopkeeper professes to sell his goods at cost price. That means for whatever the amount he is purchasing, for the same amount he is selling. Whatever the amount he is purchasing, for the same amount he is selling. That means he won't get any profit or loss. That's all, no? But that's why what he is doing is, uses a false weight of 900 grams per kg. He is telling that for the cost price he is selling, but he is dishonest. Dishonest means he is underweighing for a kg. Kg means how many grams? For 1000 grams, he is giving only 900 grams weight he is giving. But he is giving at the cost price. For 1000 grams, he is giving 900 grams means there will be a profit. There will be a profit of how many grams? 100 grams will be the profit. Now we have to find the profit percentage. Profit percentage will be calculated on CP. In the previous video, I told you how to find the CP. When profit obtained, less value will be the CP. When loss is there, more value will be the CP. This is what I already told you. So, when profit obtained, less value will be the CP. Less means how much? 900. So, 100 by 900 into 100. So, what is the answer for this? 11 1 by 9%. For 1000 grams, he is giving only 900 grams. So, the profit is 100 grams. So, profit is less value will be the CP. So, I have to write by 900. So, 100 by 900 into 100. So, the answer is 11 1 by 9%. Next, we will go for the next question. A dishonest shopkeeper, due to false weight, gains 25%. So, he has given the profit is 25%. Find how many grams he is weighing per kg. Kg means how many grams? 1000 grams. This is what he has given. Now he is asking how many grams he is in. The previous question he has given how many grams he is giving per kg. We found the profit percentage. Here the profit percentage is given and kg is given. Now we have to find how many grams he is giving per kg. Now we have to find this 1000 is what? SP or CP. That's we have to find now. 1000 is the SP or CP. Again we have to see when profit obtained, less value will be the CP. So 1000 less value than 1000 will be the CP. That means 1000 will be the SP only. If you give the less value, then only you will get the profit, no? The less value he has to give. Less value he has to give means the giving value will become less. Less means that is the CP. Because the profit obtained, less will be the CP, no? That means we have to find the CP. We have to find the CP. When 25% profit is there, that means 125% equal to 1000. Now we have to find CP means 100% equal to how much? That is 1000 into 100 by 125. 25 4s are 25 5s are 5 200s are 200 4s are 800 grams. So he is giving how many grams then? 800 grams. 1000 is the selling price. Profit is the 25%. When 25% profit is there, it will be equal to 1000. That means 125% is 1000. We have to find the CP. No, CP is 100% is always. I already told you in the previous video also. So how many grams he has to give then? 800 grams he has to give. Now we'll go for the next question in this. A dishonest shopkeeper sells his goods at a profit of 10%. So in the previous question, no, he sells at the cost price. In the previous question is whatever the amount is purchasing, for the same amount he is selling, but he is adding 10% profit to it, and uses a false weight of 900 grams per 900 grams. Find the profit percentage. For example, per kg means 1000 grams. He add 10% profit. Under 100 grams profit he will add. So he will take the money for 900 grams, 1100 grams. He is taking money for 1100 grams, but he is giving only 900 grams. He is taking money for 1100 grams, but he is giving weight 900 grams only. So there will be a profit of 200 grams. Now we have to find the profit percentage. When profit obtained, less value will be the CP. That's why we have to write 900 into 100. So 100 9s. So answer is 200 by 9%. So the answer is 200 by 9%. Again I am telling. So for example, if it is 1 rupee, he will add 10% profit to it and he will take 1 rupee 10 paisa. That means 1100 rupees he will take. But 900 grams only he is giving. And he is giving only 900 rupees worth of material only he is giving. That means 200 grams is the profit. 200 grams is the profit. Profit when less value will be the CP. That's why we have to write by 900 into 100. So answer is 200 by 900 into 100. Next question. A dishonest shopkeeper sells his goods at a loss of 10%. In the previous video, he sells at 10% loss. In the previous question, he sells at the cost price. In the previous question also, at a profit of 10%. Now he is selling at a loss of 10%. Suppose there is the kg, no? Kg is loss 10% means 100 grams is the loss, and he is taking money for 900 grams, but he is giving for 1000 grams. He is taking money for 900 grams, but he is giving 1000 grams. That's why there will be the loss. 900 grams, but he is giving only 800 grams. Still there is the profit of 100 grams. So the profit percentage 100, profit less value will be the CP. So I have to write 800 into 100. So the answer is 12.5%. So the answer is 12.5%. You understood, huh? So 800 grams, actual 25% he has to get, but he is getting only 12.5%. So right, this is the next question. Now we will go for the next question. This is the next question. A shopkeeper cheats the customer by 10% in buying and selling. In buying also he is cheating, in selling also he is cheating by 10%. Find is the total profit percentage. There is a shortcut formula for it. So x plus y plus or minus x into y by 100. This is the shortcut for it. Whenever I mention buying and selling, then you apply the shortcut formula. So x plus 10 means profit is there, no? That's why I have to write plus 10. So second is also plus 10. Plus into plus, plus 10 into 10 by 100. Why I am writing plus or minus means if one is the profit and another one is the loss, then plus into minus, minus we have to write here. Both are profit, no? That's why you are writing plus into plus is plus. So plus into plus is plus, 10 into 10 by 100. This is 1. So the total profit is 21%. That's all. This is the shortcut for it. X plus y plus or minus x into y by 100. Whenever I mention buying and selling, we apply the shortcut. This is the second video. Now we will learn some more important models in the third video. So all of you must download our app PACE, PACE, PACE Competitive Academy for more videos. PACE Competitive Academy is our app. You download it, right? Thank you.